Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro laptop, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update Windows on this device. So to update your Windows, you have to open the Start menu, then go to the Settings, then scroll down to the Windows Update section, open it, and click Check for updates right here. And if you have any updates, if it finds any, just click Install All, and this way you will install every update for your device. Basically, the installation should start automatically. As you can see right here, I only have the cumulative update preview, which is the preview which is not a required update. So I'm not gonna install it, but generally just click download and install, and once the update is installed, you'll be notified right here if you have to restart your laptop after the updates are installed. And basically, after the updates are installed, if the restart is required, this icon will check to restart now, and by clicking it, your laptop will restart. Now for additional updates, you can go to Advanced Options, then scroll down to the Optional Updates, and here find the Optional Updates. By hitting the checkbox and clicking Download and Install, you will begin the installation process of these updates. And that's how you keep your device up to date. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.